Hey, we're on video,
Oh, hi.
and it's going directly to the internet right away. On Kick.
Hi, Internet.
Oops. So we're live.
It's not recording.
Yeah, it is. We're live at kick.com/BradRourke. Hey,
Where's the mall?
we're at the mall. Daniel just bought these jeans. They're pretty good jeans. They're skinny jeans. So we're just sitting around. We're waiting for the girls. Yeah, speak up.
You got this water for me.
I did. Nummy num num.
Good.
Yep. It's Monday at the mall. It's pretty boring. You want to see what we're looking at? It's over here. See? Nothing. Oh. There's some guys.
Stop creeping on me.
They're on the internet now. Daniel says I shouldn't have done that. I creeped him. I did. I creeped him. I know. Well, we bought our jeans. We bought water. We looked at J. Crew. They have